Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Rainbow Oscillator for MT4. This momentum-based oscillator uses multiple moving averages with a color-coded display to identify trend direction and potential reversal zones. In this video you'll see what the indicator calculates, how the rainbow display looks, and which trading signals are described. The Rainbow Oscillator is a technical indicator that plots a series of moving averages of different periods, creating a layered of rainbow effect in the indicator window, hence its name. It is designed to help traders identify trend strengths and potential turning points by observing how the moving averages stack relative to each other and to a zero line. The color-coded layers make momentum shifts visually intuitive, showing bullish conditions when faster averages are both slower ones, and bearish conditions when the order reverses. On the MT4 chart, the Rainbow Oscillator appears in a separate window below the main price chart, displaying multiple moving average lines in different colors stacked like bands. When the oscillator is above the zero line and the faster moving averages are positioned above the slower ones, it signals bullish momentum. When the oscillator falls below zero, with faster averages below slower averages, it indicates bearish momentum, and crossover between the bands can signal potential trend reversals. The primary settings for the indicator includes the period for each moving average layer in the rainbow stack, which determines sensitivity and smoothness. Shorter periods create a more responsive oscillator suitable for scalping or day trading, while longer periods produce smoother signals better aligned with swing trading. The Rainbow Oscillator is aimed at traders who want a multi-layered momentum view that combines trend direction, strength, and reversal signals in one visual tool. It is a visual analysis indicator only and does not execute trades, unlike other moving average based oscillators. It can lag price actions and produce whipsaws in choppy or sideways markets. The indicator should be combined with price action, support and resistance, or other confirmation tools rather than being used as a standalone system. You can download the Rainbow Oscillator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how the multi-layered, color-coded moving average approach can simplify reading momentum shifts and trend conditions. If you like visually intuitive oscillators like this one, subscribe to the Forex Gig and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.